Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating mathematics questions, I am here for the same. In this video, I am going to solve exercise 2.2 question number 4, exponents, Goel Brothers Prakashan class 8. So let's check it out how to solve them. So in question number 4, first part, we have been given 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 3 plus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. So for removing the negative sign from the powers, we will reciprocate the number as 2 by 1 raised to the power 2 plus 3 by 1 raised to the power 3 plus 4 by 1 raised to the power 2. So after removing the negative from the powers, we will expand the number as 4 plus 27 plus 16. So 31 plus 16, 47 is the answer. In the second part, we have been given 4 by 3 raised to the power minus 1 plus 3 by 4 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power minus 1. So first of all, we will remove the bracket, we will remove the negative sign of the rational numbers within the bracket. So 4 by 3 raised to the power minus 1 would become 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power minus 1. So we will have the LCM as 3 by 4 plus 9 by 16 raised to the power minus 1. That is 16 is the LCM, and in dealing with the numerators we will be come out with 12 plus 9 by 16 whole raised to the power minus 1. So here for the removal of negative sign from the power, we will reciprocate the number as 16 by 21. In fifth part, 3 by 7 raised to the power minus 2 into 7 by 36 raised to the power minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1. So first remove the negative from the powers as 7 by 3 raised to the power 2 into 36 by 7 whole raised to the power minus 1. After expansion and after cancellation, we will be left with 28 by 28 raised to the power minus 1. That will come out as 1 by 28. In sixth part, we have been given minus 8 by 5 raised to the power minus 1 plus minus 16 by 3 raised to the power minus 1 into 5 by 32 raised to the power minus 1. So first remove the negative sign from the powers as minus 5 by 8 plus minus 3 by 16 into 32 by 5. So after having the LCM, we will be come out with minus 10 minus 3 by 16 into 32 by 5. After cancellations, we will come out as answer with minus 26 by 5. Question number 4, seventh part is given as minus 6 by 5 raised to the power minus 2 into minus 6 by 5 raised to the power minus 3 whole raised to the power minus 1 divided by 36 by 125 whole raised to the power minus 1. So first remove the negative sign from the powers as minus 5 by 6 raised to the power 2 into minus 5 by 6 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power minus 1 divided by 125 by 36. So minus 5 by 6 as the powers can be added because the rational number is in the multiplication. So minus 5 by 6 raised to the power 5 whole raised to the power minus 1 divided by 125 by 36. So minus 6 by 5 whole raised to the power 5 into 36 by 125. So we will convert 36 by 125 into the powers as 6 raised to the power 2 by 5 raised to the power 3. So we can write it as minus 6 raised to the power 7 by 5 raised to the power 8. In part 7, we have been given 6 raised to the power minus 2 plus 3 raised to the power minus 2 into 5 by 6 raised to the power minus 2. So remove the negative sign from the powers as 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 whole raised to the power 2 into 6 by 5 raised to the power 2. So 1 by 36 plus 1 by 9 into 6 by 5 raised to the power 2. After having the LCM, we will be come out with 1 plus 4 by 36 into 6 by 5 raised to the power 2. We will expand the number and after cancellation we will be left out as 1 by 5 answer. In question number 4th, 9 part, 5 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 5 raised to the power minus 2 divided by 1 by 5 raised to the power minus 2. So we can write this number as 5 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 5 raised to the power minus 2 into 5 raised to the power minus 2 by 1. So 5 raised to the power minus 2 will get cancelled and we will be left with 5 raised to the power minus 3, which will come out as 1 by 5 raised to the power 3, which will come out as 1 by 125. In the 10th part, we have been given 7 raised to the power 0 divided by minus 0.6 raised to the power 0 into minus 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 8 by 125 raised to the power minus 2. So as we know, if the number has a power as 0, that will turn into 1. So 7 raised to the power 0 and 0.6 raised to the power 0 will turn into 1. So next step would be 1 divided by 1 into minus 5 by 2 raised to the power 3 into 125 by 8 raised to the power 2. So 1 into minus 5 by 2 raised to the power 3 into 5 by 5 raised to the power 3 by 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power minus 2. So minus 5 by 2 whole raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 3 by 5 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 2. So they will get cancelled as minus 5 raised to the power 3 with 5 raised to the power 6 and 2 by 2 raised to the power 3 with 2 raised to the power 6. So after cancellation we will be left with minus 2 raised to the power 3 by 5 raised to the power 3, that is minus 8 by 125. So in this video I have solved question number 4th 1 to 10 part. Hope all the questions clear. If having any doubt, you can ask me into the comment box. If you like my video or somewhere if it is helpful to you, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.